Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the WordCraft Hub. I'm Karthik.
And I'm Pooja. Today we have a very special video because we're going to talk about how to talk about the new year ending in English, just like you would do in real life with your friends, neighbors, or colleagues.
Yes, the end of the year is a time when people reflect on the past months, share feelings, and talk about their hopes for the next year. And today, we will learn how to do that naturally in English.
And don't worry, we will use simple sentences that beginners can easily practice.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the WordCraft Hub, and share it with your friends so they can practice English too.
Now, let's start.
When the year is ending, people often feel many emotions. Some feel happy, some feel sad, some feel thankful, and some feel tired.
Exactly. And when you start a conversation about the end of the year, you can say, "Wow, this year went by so fast. I can't believe the year is already over."
These sentences are very common in real-life conversations. You can use them with friends, neighbors, or even colleagues.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Hey Pooja, can you believe the year is almost over?
Honestly, no. It feels like the year just started.
How was your year overall?
It was busy, but good. I learned a lot.
Same here. Some days were great, some were tough.
Yes, but that's life, right?
Exactly. That's a very natural and friendly way to start small talk at the end of the year.
At the end of the year, people often share their feelings. For example, I feel thankful. I feel grateful for this year.
Grateful means thankful. You can say, I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for the lessons I learned.
You can also use short, simple phrases. I'm happy this year is ending. I'm a little sad to leave this year behind.
Notice how we are using simple adjectives and emotions. This makes your conversation sound real and heartfelt.
Every year has ups and downs. Americans often say, "This year had ups and downs. Some days were great, some days were tough."
Let's practice another conversation. Some days were amazing, but some days were really hard.
Yes, but I learned something from every day.
Exactly. Life is a mix of good and bad, and this is a very natural thing to share in English.
You can also say, overall, it was a good year. Overall, it was challenging but meaningful.
Here, the word overall is very common in everyday English. It means in general.
At the end of the year, people often reflect on the lessons they learned.
For example, this year taught me patience. I learned how to manage my time better. I learned to take care of my health.
Let's have a short practice conversation.
What is one thing this year taught you?
I learned to be more patient and calm.
That's great. I learned to focus on my goals more clearly.
Notice how simple sentences plus feelings plus actions make your English natural and friendly.
Now let's talk about New Year plans.
In American English, people often say, "I want to focus on," "I plan to," "My goal for next year is."
Some examples: I want to focus on my health. I plan to learn new skills. My goal for next year is to improve my English.
You can also say simple phrases. "I just want a peaceful year." "I want a better work-life balance."
Let's do a real conversation practice.
Do you have any plans for the new year?
Yes, I want to slow down and enjoy the small moments in life.
That sounds perfect.
Thanks. And what about you?
I want to learn new things and focus on myself.
When a conversation ends at the end of the year, people often use polite closing sentences.
Some examples. Here's to a better year ahead. Wishing you a great year. Happy New Year in advance.
Let's practice a full ending conversation.
Well, this year had its moments.
Yes, it did, but I'm hopeful for the next one.
Me too. Here's to a better year ahead.
Cheers. Happy New Year.
Now it's your turn.
Write in the comments, this year taught me blank. Next year, I want to.
Try using the phrases we learned. I feel thankful. I'm grateful for. My goal for next year is...
We love reading your sentences and we'll reply to some of them.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We talked about starting conversations about the year ending, sharing feelings and gratitude, discussing good and bad moments, talking about lessons learned, making New Year plans, ending conversations politely.
Remember, simple English plus natural feelings plus small sentences equals real-life English.
Thank you so much for watching the WordCraft Hub.
If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Keep practicing English every day, and we wish you a Happy New Year.
See you in the next video.